Hi, my name is Tommy Lee, Western Regional Sales for Contra. Today, I'm going to give you a full overview on how to install our perforated window films. Cleaning the glass thoroughly is probably the step that most people spend the least amount of time with. Here, I use light dish soap and water mixture as my cleaning solution. I also spend time to wipe down all the dust and dirt from the aluminum frames and rubber seals. I give the glass a final wipe down with just water and a fresh microfiber towel. I'm using a special double-bladed tool known as a bodyguard knife made by Yellow Tools to cut a strip in the liner. If you do not have this tool, you can carefully fold back the top of the liner. Be careful not to touch the adhesive with your hands as much as possible. I removed the strip of liner I cut to expose the adhesive and start lining things up on the window, getting the graphics in the proper spot. By having a small area of adhesive exposed, I can make adjustments if necessary. I peel off the top portion of the liner and start pressing down the perforated window film onto the glass. Next, I roll up the perforated window film print side in all the way to the top so that I can start pulling off the rest of the liner. I keep the film off the glass at this point until I remove about 12 to 18 inches of the liner. Notice how I'm pulling off the liner from the center so that I can get even tension removing the liner. Use your squeegee to start pressing down the perforated window film. At this point, my focus is to have the film go down smoothly and flat, so I'm only applying light pressure. I go back later and apply medium-heavy pressure to fully activate the adhesive. I like to work the film from center and then outwards towards the window frame. As you remove more of the liner, it's sometimes easy just to cut some of it off. Next, I go back and start pushing the perforated window film into the edges. Using a hard squeegee, I place it against the window frame. By doing this, you protect the rubber seal holding the glass in place, but you will also use the squeegee as a guide when trimming. There is no need to freehand cut this critical process. Once the edge is trimmed, slowly peel the excess in case there are areas where your blade didn't cut the film. Repeat the process on all sides. Now that your edges are trimmed, go back and apply medium-heavy pressure to all the edges to ensure that you activate the adhesive. The vast majority of times, poorly installed perforated window film installations fail along the edges. I then go back and apply medium-heavy pressure to the rest of the window graphics to activate all the adhesive. As a final inspection, I look at all the graphics from different angles to see if there are any bubbles, and I like to press it down with my hands, then go back over it with a squeegee with medium-heavy pressure. To purchase the product used in today's video, visit shop.contravision.com and search Performance. To learn more about all of our products, please visit our website at contravision.com.